music, please.
Shut him down. Y'all thought we killed him with the last one? Remix. DB, Diaz Brothers, Flow Rider, Whole Boy, Pitbull, Live a Lot, DJ Lab. I wanna see you move, shake, shake, now drop. What your mama said, shake, shake, now drop. What your daddy said, shake, shake, now drop. What your sister said, shake, shake, now drop. DJ Lab, Whole Boy.
Hey, I wanna see you move and shake it, drop it, shout it. Mama got the body on her slim waist, that apple bottom she got it look good all in my face. I like when they lose, but don't get abused. DJ Last got them on pimp juice, she bringing it back, throw out and give it the stacks. I gotta give it the cash. Look what she do with the ask me if I think shorty fine. Damn right, I'm about to lose my mind. So stacked, know how to make that body wine grind. I wanna press rewind, I give it to me one time, give it to me two times. Slow ride, I must say I like when them freeze. Get Lucy low to the flow in them jeans. Hey baby, take over these baby breathe. When I'm in the club with DJ LAV. I wanna see you move, shake, shake, now drop. What your mama said, shake, shake, now drop. What your daddy said, shake, shake, now drop. What your sister said,
hey Laz, I got you, homie.
Girl, you look up on Stunner, come here, honey. Yes, I wanna see you in the back.
Yeah.
You know where I'm at.
Yeah.
Girl, you look up on Stunner, yes, I wanna. We could do freaky things right in the back.
Yeah.
Shake your ass like that, 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 that. Girl, I'm tryna think just what to say. Looking at your body just hurts my brain. Then you do that double bounce, baby. I ain't playing around. Do your thing, girl. Work your skills on my lap.